Hey there, Guild Hunters! In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch classes in Mistfall Hunter. Mistfall Hunter currently offers 6 different classes that you can easily switch between. This gives you the freedom to try out the other classes and figure out which one fits your playstyle the best without having to start over. To switch classes, what you'll want to do is head over to the Jew, which is the NPC located right in front of the Guild and Blood pool. Interact with her and you'll see an option to switch classes. Switching to another class will cost you 1,500 gold and will trigger a 1-hour cooldown before you can switch to a different class again. However, after switching classes, you'll also get a short window where you can switch back to your previous class for free if you decide that the new class isn't for you. So if you're curious about another class, this gives you a chance to try it out without fully committing to the switch. And that's how to switch classes in Mistfall Hunter. If this helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.